Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Finder, the ultimate hub for discovering the smartest AI tools and tricks. What if I told you that you could create a viral, high-quality video without touching a single editing app? No complicated software, no script writing, no app switching, just one simple prompt, and your video is ready to share. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, let me introduce you to Pippit AI, your smart creative agent powered by CapCut. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or small business owner, this tool is going to change the way you create videos forever. Let's dive in. First, click the link in the description and head to the official Pippit AI page. Create your free account, and once you're signed in, you'll land on a clean, simple dashboard. This is where the magic begins. With Pippit AI, you can turn anything into a video with just a few clicks. Let me show you the most powerful feature first: Video Generator. With Video Generator, you can create videos in 3 different ways. Text to video, simply type a prompt, and Pippit will generate the entire video for you. Link to video, paste any website or article link, and Pippit will convert it into a share-ready video. Media to video, upload your images or documents, and Pippit will automatically create a polished video with transitions, music, and visuals. Now, let's try Agent Mode, which is ideal for creative and story-based videos. I'll type in this sample prompt: create an engaging promotional video for an online language learning platform with 24/7 tutors, affordable pricing, and real learner success stories that inspire viewers to sign up. Hit Generate and watch the AI do its magic. Preview of AI-generated video plays.
Struggling with difficult concepts? Feeling stuck without help when you need it most?
Our platform connects you with expert tutors anytime, anywhere, 24/7 support when you need it.
Quality education shouldn't break the bank. Get premium tutoring at a fraction of traditional costs.
Real learners, real success. I went from struggling student to landing my dream job in 6 months.
Ready to transform your learning journey? Join thousands who've already succeeded. Sign up today.
In a few moments, your professional video is ready. If you like the result, just click Download, and boom, it's ready to post. Let's try something fun. I'll now prompt Pippit to generate a short, animated video. Again, just paste the prompt, hit Generate, and the AI will handle everything: visuals, animations, voiceover, and even background music.
Ready to transform your fitness journey? Meet your new personal trainer in your pocket. Get personalized workout plans that adapt to your fitness level and goals.
Track your progress in real time and watch yourself get stronger every day.
Join motivational community challenges and achieve goals together with thousands of fitness enthusiasts.
Experience the satisfaction of reaching your fitness goals with personalized support every step of the way.
Download now and start your transformation today. Your best self is just one tap away.
All that without opening any editing app. Incredible, right? Next up, we have AI avatars, perfect for professional-looking talking head videos. Click AI avatar on the dashboard.
Hello, I'm your avatar. You can choose your favorite avatar on your right and click on the script in the video to edit it.
Pick from a library of ready-made avatars, or upload your own image for a custom avatar. Add your script by clicking Edit Script. Choose your language and voice style, then save. Pippit processes your video in seconds, and your avatar is now talking just like a real presenter. Preview video.
Don't forget to subscribe to AI Finder for more amazing AI tools and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Finder.
This is perfect for YouTube tutorials, marketing videos, or training content. AI Talking Photo. With AI Talking Photo, you can bring any image to life. Simply upload a photo, type what you want it to say, select a voice, and hit Generate.
Welcome to AI Finder. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Finder for more amazing AI tools and tips. Welcome to AI Finder. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Finder for more amazing AI tools and tips.
Just like that, your still image starts speaking. Perfect for fun social media content or storytelling videos. Product Photo Editor. If you sell products online, this feature will save you hours. Upload any product photo, and Pippit will remove the background automatically. Then, you can choose from multiple preset backgrounds, resize the image, and generate professional-looking product shots in seconds. Perfect for ads, e-commerce stores, or social media posts. And that's a full tour of Pippit AI's powerful features: AI video generator, animated videos, AI avatars, talking photos, and product photo editor. All done with just a few clicks, no editing experience needed. Show website and promo code on screen. As a bonus, you can enjoy 45% off your subscription with the promo code. Thanks for watching AI Finder, your go-to source for discovering the smartest AI tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.